Hello and welcome back. It's been a little while since we have vlogged. We've been a little busy, but we actually are not on Disney property today. We are in Mount Dora. Mount Dora is a little outside of the theme parks, and we wanted to show you a little bit of what all is available if you have a day off and want to drive around and experience other parts of Florida. So come along, we're going to have some lunch and show you the little downtown area and the lake. So here we go. We've actually only ever been to Mount Dora one other time, so we don't know a ton about it, so we're gonna all experience it together. We are actually going to be eating at a brick oven pizza style place for lunch, so really excited, and we'll let you know how it is and show you what we get. So in one of the main buildings, there is this little marketplace, and it has all of these different options inside, so let's go check it out. Because it's a beautiful day. It is Labor Day weekend, it's Sunday, so the area in general is a little bit more crowded maybe than normal, but we got the Kona Big Wave beers just to sit and enjoy. They have some fans on. It's warm out, but it's not terrible this weekend. With the hurricane last weekend, it really cooled things off into the 80s this week, which is really nice. It'll go back into the 90s next week, but we're really enjoying it now while it lasts. And we ordered spinach and goat cheese pizza. He got bacon on his, mine does not. And they're cooking up right now, so we'll show you that when they're ready. So Paul's pizza came out. That looks phenomenal. What a delicious lunch combo. Dig in.
Pizza and beer.
Okay, that pizza was absolutely excellent.
Fantastic.
I would even say better than Napoli. I said it. It's fine. It was crispier. It was perfect. Cooked well. But we should have split one. It was big enough where we could have shared. But we're gonna go through some of the shops, show you a little bit of the downtown area, and then also the lake. Also, interesting enough too, you can walk around the little downtown area with your beverage. They don't mind. So, nice if you want to do a nice little evening stroll. The main street down the little downtown area, and each little side street you can go down as well, and they have a lot of shops and restaurants, quite a few actually. Like you can see right here, it tells you where everything is, so it's really easy to find and get your way around, but it's just really cute little mom and pop stores and restaurants. And like I said, the pizza was really good, and I've heard that all of the restaurants are absolutely delicious. So such a cute area. And then there's also a little park over here too. This building called the Renaissance here too, and it's kind of like that marketplace where it's just a bunch of shops inside too. So, you know, you can do the outdoor shopping and then also the indoor shopping, and it's just really cute. We really like this area because it reminds us a lot of our hometown in Ohio, which I know is weird that we left Ohio to come to Florida, and then we're trying to find places that are similar to Ohio. But there, we just didn't like the weather. We loved where we lived. So anything that we can recreate here, we really appreciate. right, honey. What do you think of Mount Dora so far?
I love it. It's so cute. There's a bunch of little shops here, good food, a lot of people walking around, very friendly.
Yeah, everyone's been seeing us walking around with our leftover pizza, and they instantly start telling us of all the good restaurants, and everyone says that everything is so good, so we can't wait to come back and try more places. But now we are going to head down by the lake, which you can actually see from the little area that we're in, and see what all is going on over there. So they do have boat tours here on the lake, as you saw on the sign that I just shared. Lots of different times and options and whatnot available to you. The only thing that's a downside of this lake is that there is no walkway around it. So it's private residences, and then there is a yacht club right here too. And then, so the best way for you to really see the area on the lake is going to do one of the boat tours, which weren't too expensive. So, you know, it could be a nice little fun afternoon or evening, depending on the time of day you want to come over here. It's also nice because they do have public restrooms available, and then also every store and out by the restrooms, they have little doggy water bowls, which is really nice. All right, it's starting to get a little warm, and we've kind of seen everything we wanted to see, so we are going to sign off. Thank you again for joining along today for our little non-Disney adventure. And we're gonna share more areas throughout Orlando with you in the coming weeks. So stay tuned for that. But otherwise, come back for more Disney content. We're actually going to probably head into Magic Kingdom tomorrow. So that video will be to come. But otherwise, have a wonderful day, and we'll see you real soon.
Thank you, everyone.